So I want to give you guys a little bit of this kind of factoring special forms. And really what I should do for this video is go back to the foiling special forms video and just play the thing backwards. It's really, that's all we're doing. So do you guys remember that there was something that ended up like square squared minus triangle squared? What did stuff start looking like to end up here? You guys remember that? No. How about, what do I call this thing? You guys remember the word for this?
Wasn't it difference of squares?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This thing is difference of squares, or DOS is what I'm going to call this a lot. It's helpful to recognize this because you know where it came from. If the answer looked like this, the thing you started with had a special form for foiling, right? Square plus triangle times, anybody remember the other half?
Perfect square triangle.
That's the next one.
Oh. Square minus triangle?
Perfect, square minus triangle. Really what I know, right, is this sucker doesn't have a B term in it. You guys see that? So if I tried to do the AC method, I'd be looking for something that adds to 0, right? That's special. That means the middle's canceled. The only time the middle's canceled is when it looks like this. Okay? So when you see a difference of squares, you can automatically jump from, okay, I got something squared minus something squared, to I have the first thing plus the second thing times the first thing minus the second thing. Cool? You guys want an example?
Yeah.
Please.
Okay. Say I had 4x squared minus 9y squared. So I'm going to look at this and I'm going to see, okay, there's squarey stuff minus squarey stuff, right? So I'm looking like this. What's in the square here?
4x.
Yeah, almost. Right? If I square all of 4x, I'll get 16x squared, right? So what do I want to square to get 4x squared? Yeah, 2x. You guys see that?
Yeah.
So I'm writing this thing as 2x squared. You guys see that?
Yeah.
And then I'm saying, okay, so 2x is the thing in the first box. And then how would I think about 9y squared as one thing squared?
3.
Good, it'd be a 3y, right? Okay, so I'm going to put kind of 3y in my triangle spot. And then this is the step that's nice. You could just say, hey, I know how to factor that. No AC method needed. I do the first thing, 2x, plus the second thing, in parentheses, times what? 2x minus 3y. Perfect. And if you need to draw the triangles to help you out, or the squares and the triangles, go for it. And then just make sure you're filling in the whole thing. So this is going to be 2x plus 3y and 2x minus 3y. You guys cool with that? Okay, so that's difference of squares.